Are you sure George is giving her that money?
He's giving her that money tomorrow. I swear. I go lie.
No, I'm not saying you are lying.
He's giving her that money. That 50,000 I'm talking about. He's giving her that money. I swear to God. I go lie. Tomorrow.
Oh yes. Serious?
Oh yeah.
Now I thought say want to me enya saska.
My boy me wada o. Ena there was some we can say. When I make on me hwɛ me because me nim plan ha na bia me kase bia me be hwɛ me.
Oh okay.
I don't have any girlfriend.
Like and tontomo women. Like I don't know. Me very sorry. Nya me for. When say people now can say me fan come na my ya na me. I know the delay me Serwaa. It's okay. It's kind of way. Any people ni na me dey. Bibia enter. What does it? Mama, listen. America now Obonikum, everything is time. If you say I'm going to be there 7 a.m., you should be there 7 a.m.
It's been a minute.
Way too long.
Yeah. Check it.
Yeah, hello. Oh, my picture answer. Me from so home fa. Oh, wait.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a good evening.
What happened? Frank. I won't come on there, but I think it is also okay. Be James be on no. George. Sound out here.
Okay, me you sasi offer. Me I say one.
Onim. Ni hwe be ka che o. Ye ko sumi na. Yensa shase. Ade pe na nsa shase. Obey you. Ben sensu, wate. Ntina office e mi nua ba. Na nye boni na wo tirima. Mi nua ba afiri abuchira ba. No ba be sim so. Se me yonko no fa me number keke mpoma no wa fa chire ene na etwempra esie bobo no wate we ni pa papa
What's it that time?
Adie. Go. Adie. Yo, Adie. Company ni pa wo. There's a counting between pra.
Shattered glass on the floor.
I didn't question papa. Just say me and Kasa say right now. As I sit here right now, me need me my life. Tinyama bruchire di menim gay ne na ne ho pa e die pa ne chese gay ba fra bruchire Sisi mi fra dia pena kwa mfa. Just but disappointing, totally disappointing. Obi pa wasem na disappointing na. Sini pani beji watu mu na kuma mu pa bi o eden. Unyanso. Betray ya, just me betray no, just say odwen wa wanti ase. Simi ba nyina untimi nka word. To say boy na guso react. Good reaction so react. Still na untimi recover. Hey. Ti kwan be pa na me fa so. Etimi areche ade pe na. Impokura se bi wi ya okobe. Betimi kura ne nakasa. I need to change. I need to change my ways.
Check it. Oh, yeah. Locked in a cage of my own making. Lost between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face in the shadows of the neon light. Praying for the day we finally make it right. Every flight felt like a year in the sky. Staring at the clouds while the seasons pass by. I kept the letters that I never even sent. Wondering if you knew exactly what you meant. Now I'm standing at the terminal, heart on my sleeve. Watching you walk through the gate, I can finally breathe. Now we back in the rhythm, back in the flow. Yeah, we back. Nowhere left for us to go but home. No more silence, no more cold nights alone. We reunited, yeah, the seeds are finally grown. You're looking different, but your eyes stay the same. Like a fire burning bright through the pouring rain. We took the long way, yeah, the scenic route. But there ain't a single thing that I'm doubting about. All the static in the noise is faded to black. Once I'm out your hand in mind, there was no turning back. From the coast to the city, from the dark to the dawn. We picking up the pieces where the line was drawn. No more FaceTime calls on a grainy screen. You the only vision there I'd ever really see.
Yeah, we'll go there.
What documents na me de bro?
Na ko fio nti.
They be me na buy. Me ne driver na buy.
Oh, one
baby. Why very busy now. It's not because me am be show na me fa.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and see there idea.
Tahana mo se
protocol.
Me nko embezi Tahana me ba.
Who then is special. Protocol very high.
Wow.
Oh, I say ya bibia, kofi de why bibia, o se me fan bro. It's all call I say you chen.
A chen wo.
Chen ye fan ra ho no protocol. We do ho crapa bibia ye like
mo.
Sawji edi. We sawji kofi.
Me di ni
bibia e come.
Dress dey me share that.
American burgers. American burgers.
We say go to the migu and I'm so go. O ko amaka so ani abra bro chiro do to be me so mi nyiwe na me.
Maybe would we way ah we do no mehu say why you ready to.
Omo hu say mi mu abro chiro ni mpo. Na say that for na because but land so many years minimum over trick.
Hey. Me feel say why you ready to go no.
Drive on say omra bro for me. Say omu hie. Minimum omo taxes no bibia. What you say? Oh, but now dress it in when you say we are broaching here. Here me pa ba ma share na ma yi say.
It's what they are two from say no mu they are koso.
Matthias. It's me das. Ba kwa check for my boy.
Make sure na. It's here wow na be si bia no. Na wa ma ko fie. Right.
You Mati.
Okay. Bye.
It was on Baba friend.
David,
what is skit got about?
Oh, my best friend, who said we are pony now? Now you know.
It's me na haya.
Me how?
Mati.
Okay. And me will be here, so I have to.
Be my friend. So number na.
Oh, why not?
Say them previous year brother.
Back in the zone, turning this house back into a home. Finally grown, reunited. Just you and me, yeah. Back where we belong. We back now. Yeah, back where we belong.
George. George. Yeah, George. George. Yeah. And two sure na meti ante mu frosa, eh? Kanchira na se minjai. So one die. Be jina meti ante mu frosa o tie ye unfimi.
Se ne wusi toni no se ne wusi bomidi na se
asebufu ebufu nim na se odi na mebo oje so anka ebufu bebe
da bi tie ana sometimes ne mabu ma menye nipa boni ni sa da bia no ye nyina na ye hodem se impo kura be di nkoma se wo free dem na mete wo na be jina tie mu bomidi nte da ase de mai bibia burusu bi
ubofu ana
da bi se na se wusi kasa na wo toni
se de wo so wusi ni me kasa da bi enfa nsa bo nkunu ni me kasa wo George menya akura sa na we de mbeka che okura se man kan che wen se hwe what is okay? Why?
Uti, what frame you?
And I'm just a camera so much. But man can't show and say,
I don't say what frame. I'm always seeing time. Peer inside a big now. Now can't you
now bar and oko and now kumrika. So bet him sad on I say radem. About what age my India. It's you the circle. Why? Me sorry. Why?
I say no, but I say what the matter from cry.
What to
no, like I say, one na me subi kasa. I say, what kasa mo kasa yewo den. What kasa match mo kasa yewo den.
Tu unze si we doormat on. What that form? Wa usuban on. A usuban na edwa ko wi si. Ate, ka bibia kire wa unti. Na bi se wo ye me. Wo ye wa ho. Why? Tu dem me sorry say me fro.
Why? You know, dey intina frɛ me.
Ehun hia. Why? Wo dey me ko Ebekasa.
Udi kan dia unya comfortably dia chese sese dia no. Be ya timin kasa na nkasa bia menye ya George nye na ya George dia no o hanipa no se nipa. So who says me talk from na de utimi tese utimi ye bibie ni time frame be gina ha me yesa me no be kasa bet we kura me no kan kura ngosi ba bia otwa fa so na ko
so okay. It's been a minute. Way too long. Yeah. Check it. Yeah, locked in a cage of my own making. I was between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face in the show.
What's up, Bedewa? Then on Showboy. Then over there.
Me na protocol for me.
Protocol for na how no me then? What's the protocol for them?
Dem me come me say me.
Masa what bodamu? How say embassy ma?
Oh, boss, me na coffee me nipa no.
Masa, me kan ya 5. So we free and kwa, they may yell no.
Boss, any one yira.
Me yira. Me ba me jumem no me yira. What bodam? High event center. Masa, try the auto bono. What you higher embassy?
What's your higher?
For course if you ko. Masa, me kan ya 5. Meti me ni no if you ko.
Oh, boss, asembe na okay. Na hade me ko say. Obi akofisi hada me meji protocol me do.
Boss,
I don't know your show. So your show. So your show. I did penaway.
I'm tired.
Hey, man, last time I couldn't tell BM. What's your conta, ma'am?
Hey, I couldn't
what's your conta?
Now don't come.
I want to mean now. You know why?
I couldn't tell you.
If you confirm, I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you.
Hey,
I couldn't tell you.
I couldn't tell you. Why? What's surprising you?
You must surprise you.
Every night you hear that say.
I did penaway.
I couldn't tell what the fear. I would tell you, Kasa. I didn't say
I'm Kade.
I could tell you.
Messi I did penaway.
I didn't know more buofu. And
I'm buofu. You names are all here until I'm buofu. I did penaway.
Mr. Cromie, Bebus as I did penance away.
Ubebus, I mean, I did penaway.
Mr. Who
I did penaway for almost 3 days in your man. And you want to say, me, and you want to say, I'm in Casemiro. Say, baby, I could do Motono. I would be a friend in Nisono. I bet it's in there. Me about 24 hours. 24 hours. Man, what dear Pena? Ubejimeli.
For Kana Chine Muntis.
Akunta, Nimsafun. Would I stop? Akunta. Akunta, Kwana from the Adiba. Akunta, no one. Akunta, me. And freedom is still from Akunta. Now they are Akunta, not 24 hours. Who said, okay, what does it from? Yes, because they were maintained here. They do. I can't so bit of a refugee before me refugee. Nippon, maybe fear. Jack, I don't know how I can one day wouldn't try. I don't know, but there is more to a dear banana. There's more to a dear banana. Because I hear a boy I made to see a Manchester. When I know a dear banana introduce you to a young when you see it, I mean, we're proud to Ghana. But because I would be if you react now. As will be also to Ghana as it when you Ghana before.
Shattered glass on the floor, hearts and fragments cold war. Echoes of your last laugh linger like a locked door. A mirror can't reflect me, not the me from before. I'm a ghost in my own light, can't feel me no more. Silent nights louder than a screaming fights. Words cut sharp, left scars in the dim light. Promises to ashes, burned in the frostbite. I love like a landslide, bury me outright. I gave you my soul, you gave me hindsight. Every I love you felt staged in the spotlight. What's of our words when it's just noise? What's a heart do when it's destroyed? You played me in silence employed. Now I'm left with a void. Shattered glass, I'm a splinter reflection. Pieces of me caught in your direction. You broke me, left me undone. Shattered glass, but you're the one who wrote. Shattered glass, I'm a splinter reflection.
Alright. Frankie call. Na Frank Viviana na. What pack on your me fifi as a call? How? Obi nyina etifie 90% ka betu a ana woni ka mo mane ansa ana nka nkyere me. What to without any information, without just say who surprise me? One can't what to just say that's what to. That's a Frank who's a mere bonsam just say. Baby, I drone the minipa. Just say, oh, 2 hours or catch them here, every crana muscle. As will be as we want to quant and unqua bruchida, Robacqua bruchidi. By now, when you visa. The hunipa going to be on person of Bonamania because a be an any panel, or quite Danny Visa and Abia, or quite Danny Plain, no Nabia, or Cobran or Frenny panel. Frank, Johnny, and I just say, oh, Johnny me. Hey. Yes, yeah. Oh, Frank. What me too without my consent? You move from this house without my consent. Frankies, no problem.
Yao George. Yao George. Yao George. Hey. Hey. Yao George.
Oh.
Yao George. Yao George.
Oh, Adepena.
Yao George. Are you insane? Are you mentally delusional? Are you okay? Huh? You've got mental problems or what?
Oh, Adepena, please, relax. Adepena, why are you not picking up?
No, are you just stupid?
Stupid?
Yes. Why are you just normally just naturally just a stupid young man?
Adepena, are you using this word on me, stupid? Why are you using stupid on me? Adepena, can't you forget why now? Adepena, I've been calling you several times, several occasions.
Exactly why I'm saying you are stupid, Yao George. Because you don't have to call me.
Why, Adepena, why?
Stop calling my phone. Stop it!
I want to explain myself. I want to explain everything that will happen because of the day.
Jesus.
Adepena, just calm down and listen to me. Okay?
It's the guts and the audacity for me.
If you remove me right now.
The audacity to tell me I want to explain my is the effrontery.
Yeah, I want to explain myself. Adepena, please calm down. Let's sit inside, okay? Why?
Wait.
My friend severally in a respectful way. If you see that somebody is calling, you need to respond the call. At least hear me out. You can't just be cutting off my calls. You can't just be putting my calls on hold, and it's not nice. This is Baby George. Can't you see Baby George? Can't you see Baby George?
What's useless Baby George? Huh? What's useless Baby George? Is the lady with the fat ass you like? No, shut up. Just keep quiet. You've chosen, and me, I agree. What would you offer no? Me Adepena,
listen, Adepena, listen, Adepena.
Now, George, if you don't want us to battle physical.
So what is your main problem coming here? What is your main motive coming here?
Don't call me. Just don't buzz my phone.
You come here to tell me I shouldn't call you.
Exactly.
Adepena,
don't call my phone.
You miss me.
Miss you.
Yes, because
I didn't say cheating boyfriend and me who be that.
No, I didn't. Why can't you block me? But you can block me.
No, I wanted you to see me in action.
I know.
Because we block out the number for my friend.
Oh, why you miss? Come here.
You boom, mama, you boom.
Come here.
You boom, mama, you boom.
That was a setup. I didn't listen to me. That was a setup. I didn't listen.
What is it? Unyan Bahasi. Your brother came here. My in-law.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine the bullshit? Your what in-law? So what do you want me to do with that information?
Listen, calm down, okay? That everything that happened that time, it was a setup. Even the girl, again, I better. What you made? The girl just correct my 500 million. Listen, Adepana, don't leave me. As a new woman, depend on me. Adepana, if you go, I'm empty. Right now, Frank is not no more. Everybody is living my life. Adepana, do you want to leave? Do you want to leave me too?
Frank is not no more.
Yes.
Me no one nante for how many months to years. Ne Frank is not no. Ugu so kasa brofo. Egu me no mase. O wie so assign family. Anka man brofo we kura enya wo ferie. O sai ka brofo basa. Frank is not no more. O ka brofo we wia. O sai family.
Frank is
Esete upset. Only girl need 2 coin. You are traveling with her. Enti me I'm family boy.
That is one thing that I want to. I know you miss me. If you leave right now, who go day? Just ask yourself. If you leave right now, who go day? I love you for life.
George.
Please, please. Okay,
oh,
don't leave me.
See. Aside the fact that you are not faithful to me, you don't speak good English. It's appalling.
Right now, I feel I'm going to be.
If you leave me, who go day? Those kind of, I mean, all chances just puts me off.
Don't put you off.
Takes my libido away. Please leave me alone. Don't call my phone.
I'll call you. If you don't
call my phone.
I will call you. You better block me. I'm telling you. If you ask me not to call, I'll call you.
Let me block you.
You miss me, I know. That is the main reason you came here. You just want to see me. Let's go inside, okay? Adepena.
Okay. Check, I've blocked you. Don't call my phone. Okay, you are blocked.
Just look at this. Look at.
Look
at.
You're a bush boy.
Oh, wow. When a girl is in love, she can't stay without seeing him. Adepena, if you like it or not, we are coming back, okay? Hey. I come and go. I'm going. Hey. Need that. Maybe I book there.
I can't complain. But are you Frank? What's that mean? My name is what?
Oh, one day there's some 12 free okra. Na dey cocoa sweet there's some to cry na me yam home. Me anam person too. But now I was waiting for the right time. So I think this is the right time.
Wow. Why? Because genuinely, I don't know how you're going to live with him.
Oh.
No, Kobby, then that's not. Dear cool sweet, dear say it's.
George, dear, no one with say, but I mean, I'm in Nassetina. Tina, I'm that's on anything. But I say, you too much. What I say, Tina say me too.
Who be too?
Oh, me will say no, you say.
Say.
Yes, after years. So the already call UPS plan or something.
Yeah. I said branch road be that.
Oh, there be me more on the left side.
Oh, on say.
Patricia.
Na warrant on.
Oh, Debbie. Hona Benati.
Abena. Oh, again.
Yes.
Hey. Oyentiasio. Again. Some more.
I only oyentias for. We are still there. Why?
Wow.
We are still together. Yeah.
Because the ordinary family nature.
Abenauti. Me fanning for shimo. Na nyamia. So we name story. Yes. See, me nete wo.
Me say ya George dear oh. Baby George. Na
ya George asem die. Majaika. Tientimi kan sisi akwa Majaika.
Majaika sa na yenka den. Eno na yeka o.
Se untimi ye kasa waye bi atwa so enkasa to aso. Ya George asem die inconsider be na bi twa so. Enti on dey waye bi atwa mama mi. See no I've begin a new chapter what I say.
Na why na tia rent? One I say unipa.
Na
we nye bu
question ya obusa me dey say hard you me see put it say e why me mpena fie yes abna fie o ma fie yes o ma fie
o say o branch left her
me pacho adenka bibia
oh nye bibi
so ne kasa why e dey asem
o dey mate enye bufu unipa no lady no say me say what we've put her through no ma dwene ho say I mean we need to speak to her say why are there yeah the why are there yeah set up no wama yen sensi fem she played her role and no said I want so me share wa me da wase why are there papa na me show na ono so kwan e be fa so a wo betime de makone ho kra na who say we na on share me da me so me share ne da
say ono no a busy person party I dey say me ne kasa na ya kra ba me trinam se me fro ba na say me kwa be na on chair sa na me nya time yeah waka ni se me frɛ no na ka hwɛ ono no time na ka na akra mo kra na be hia kra na
bia ana yen hia wo ompna ni fie honom now say over left a dining calaben white building sorry building bi wo honom eno a
o de mechro
net na sina me fa wonko ho
o de me mama fa ne nante meto ade o kwan so ansa makofi ntin why
o to ade
meto ade
face truck ni chi
oh don't worry why
yeah sure
don't worry
na ye nanti mo
men ko to container o me to ade keke na no
to ade kukuwe
kuma bi why you don't worry why ti me ne be kasa me nya no so why is also ne George wo de be kasa why be kasa
so o George din kwana ti say
normal adofo asem de wo ka bi a third person today nyame ha duma no ahwe won see why ene me say kwan na wo kwan
wo de yen ko wo de no
oh David me coffee ba me to ade okon so nsa na ko why wo de e be share be kasa why
confused fa me kwa
wo David so abena twa me tin why ezam ko fa na ko adwuma
ko adwuma mu
ye wonya ko kakra ne salon tin ko fa na ko why
salon ho minimum ho
ti e be kasa why
minimum salon ho why
all right bye
me share mo ho why
e pa chamber ho Mr. why
ma me mo
me pa asem bia why
yo me ma wasem why
ma pa cho why
salon ho 2:30 and 3